So today we're making baby food and we're using mangoes. Got a couple of mangoes here, organic ripe mangoes. I'll show you how to prepare these. First you want to peel the skin off. And then once you have the skin peeled off, you want to identify where the pit runs on the mango. So you want to stand it up and identify the tallest point on the mango. And then from the center, just cut down on each side from the tallest point, like so. And you can kind of see how the pit runs. And then you want to just follow your knife to the shape of the pit. Mangoes have a really odd shaped pit. And just like that, the flesh is removed. Mangoes are great. They're high in antioxidants, great for digestive health, skin, eyes, hair. It's a really great fruit, especially for babies. Then we just want to cut it into chunks, and we'll just add it to our blender. Once the mango is added to our blender, we'll fill it halfway with formula, breast milk, or filtered water. Puree that until it's smooth. Add it to our container. This will hold in the fridge for up to 5 days. I made a little too much here, so I have these ice cube trays, these silicone ice cube trays. I'm going to add some to that. These will keep in the freezer for up to 3 months, and they're good because they're single serve and they pop right out. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video.